How you doing, guys? Jamie here of Urban Combatives Thailand and Core Combat Chiang Mai. Quick tip video. I want to show people how to pull a fist correctly. There's a lot of videos out there giving advice on how to make a fist, and I find that it's kind of strange advice, and when I've learned it that way and tried it myself, I find that it did more harm than good to me. So I want to just share a way that I've always done it, the way I teach my students, always have, never had any problems. So it's really simple. The one that you see most commonly is this, right? Put your hand up, put your fingers in like this, tuck them in tight like that, and put your thumb across here. And that does give you a nice square fist, but a nice square fist is not really what you're looking for. You're looking for something with stability and a little bit of flexibility, right? You find if you do it this way, you get an unnecessary pressure on these knuckles here. So if you really hit something, bare knuckle that is, you're going to feel it, you're going to hurt yourself. Much easier way to do it, much safer way to do it, this way. Put your fingers together, keep them straight, bend them up, and you see you get that fleshy part there? That kind of acts like a handle for you, if you like. So what you do is you put your fingertips down on your palm and you bring them up until the pads of your fingers meet that fleshy part there. You'll feel it. Get a good squeeze on that, and that'll give you a nice tight fist. And obviously keep your thumb on these two knuckles here. The idea when you want to hit something is you're not keeping your fist tight the whole time, right? You know, you want to keep it relaxed and then flex it and grip it tight at the moment of impact. But again, if you're doing it like this, you're getting this really unnecessary pressure on the joints there, and I think if you hit something hard that way, you're going to hurt yourself. Doing it this way keeps the fist nice and tight, and it still leaves a little bit of flex on the fingers, because believe me, if you hit something hard with a bare knuckle, you're going to want a little bit of flex in those fingers. It's not designed to be absolutely solid. It doesn't work that way, right? Instead, it's obviously the structure of the knuckles and how it aligns with everything else. While I'm here, I might as well talk about that as well. Other mistakes I see people make. Simple ruling I give. When you pull a fist, you want to make sure that you've got this nice flat line on the top. You got any flex this way or that way, no good. Equally this way, right? You want to have a nice straight line from the bottom knuckle, so the little finger, going into the bones of your arms there. So it needs to be almost flat there as well. Any flex here, any flex there, here or there, you're going to bloody know about it when you punch something. So there you go, just something I wanted to share off the top of my head. Practice it, try both, see what works for you, but I always found the way I do it works far better for me and my students. Thank you, guys.